Achieving a natural makeup look is all about enhancing your features while keeping things light and effortless. Here are some essential tips and tricks to help you master the art of understated beauty. A well-prepped canvas is crucial. Begin with a gentle cleanse, followed by a hydrating moisturiser and a broad-spectrum SPF. Opt for products that cater to your skin type for the best results. Instead of heavy foundation, opt for a tinted moisturiser or BB cream. These provide light coverage while still allowing your skin to breathe, giving you a fresh and natural finish. For areas that need a bit more coverage, such as dark circles or blemishes, use a creamy concealer. Apply it with your fingertip or a damp makeup sponge for a seamless blend that mimics the skin's texture. Cream blushes and bronzers blend effortlessly into the skin. They provide a dewy finish and a more natural look compared to powder products, which can sometimes appear cakey. Keep your eye makeup minimal. A wash of neutral eyeshadow can enhance your eyelids. Use a brown or dark grey liner to define your eyes subtly and finish with a coat of mascara to open them up. Well-groomed brows frame your face. Fill in any sparse areas with a brow pencil or powder that matches your hair color. A clear or tinted brow gel can help set your brows in place without looking overly done. For the lips, opt for a tinted lip balm or lip stain that provides a hint of color without the heaviness of traditional lipsticks. This keeps your lips looking fresh and hydrated. If you tend to get oily, use a translucent setting powder sparingly in areas that need it, such as the T-zone. This will help your makeup remain in place while preserving your skin's natural glow. Ensure your brushes and sponges are clean to avoid transferring bacteria and oils to your face. Regular cleaning helps your makeup apply more smoothly. Finally, remember that a natural look embraces imperfections. Focus on enhancing your best features rather than covering everything up. Confidence is your best accessory. Incorporate these tips into your makeup routine for a fresh-faced appearance that highlights your natural beauty. Embrace the joy of a lighter touch, perfect for any occasion. Like and follow for more makeup tips.